It has been a cold spring, and I still need some help on my front yard here. I seeded and rolled it, but it's been cold and relatively dry, so the ground temperature isn't up enough to get that seed to germinate, but it's also a bit dry, and I think we're finally through freezing at night, so I'm going to get the sprinkler system fired up. I'm excited to use that more this year. This is my first full year with the in-ground irrigation, so let's get this thing fired up, see if it still works. Down by the controller, gotta plug this baby in. I just left it unplugged over winter, since it was about 6 months where it didn't get used at all. All right, we're up and running. Saved the time and everything. Looks good there. Next, we got to turn on the main water valve. That water's really running. Hopefully it stops soon. All right, stopped. So it runs quite a bit. I've got my primary set of valves right outside the house, and then I have a secondary set of valves. Due to the elevation change in my yard, I need another valve bank up high to make sure that the backflow prevention works correctly. So I've got a large supply line that runs up to those secondary valves, so all of that piping needs to fill up on this main, otherwise it wouldn't run so much. But anyway, let's go turn it on and see if it still works. Here's my valve bank for 1, 2, and 3. I do still need to get this covered with something, maybe a fake rock or something like that. But anyway, no leak in here. Oh, that's so satisfying. Firing it up for the first time this year, getting the air out of the system. Everything is working correctly in this zone. Probably have to adjust the heads a little bit. It seems like some got tipped by the frost a little bit maybe, but it's not really affecting the spray much. For those of you who do not have an in-ground sprinkler system and are on the fence about it, just do it. I detailed in my master plan series last year the complete installation of this in-ground system. I did it 100% myself. I walk you through it step by step. You can do it or just pay somebody to do it. It is awesome. It frees you up to fertilize and seed on your schedule, independent of rain. Now, you still need to be careful of temperature and sunshine and all that stuff. But this is pretty sweet. Just fertilized. Don't need to time it with rain showers. Just turn on the sprinkler system. Pretty sweet.